Shincho my sisters. I will introduce you to my sisters today. A shirt pattern. This shirt is square. The hand A. It's available, and it has something special, which is a 2 silver hybrid. It's different. Then with this dress we will wear it with pants stand, not wear with wide pants. It's because this shirt is wide and it's long. If my sisters wear loose pants, the form will look like a square. But it doesn't fit like this. If you want to wear this style with wide pants, then we will change. Push the length of this shirt up on the ass. And we're going to go this body that we're hugging. It's neat up here. You'll be able to wear pants down here. The tube is wide open. In this video clip, I will guide you for my sisters how to design this shirt and just a little bit so my sisters can adjust. Let's wear loose pants. This is table A. I use the size parameters to draw for this model. You have to measure yourself across your shoulders, waist, butt, and long waist. And the black numbers here are the numbers that change. My sisters will change it. Well, according to my body. The first step you will take is to arrange. Let this splint. You're going to break your splint by 2 inches. Then I'll take the length. The length of the shirt is here. I'll take the long one without A. The hybrid portion is equal to 50, and the portion of the pregnancy I took down 17. This dress is about 67 long. Then you're going to cross a road. When you're building by, on the way, you will cross your shoulders. Shoulder is equal to shoulder divided 3. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 16. From here I take the middle point. Because this is a dead end, you step back. We've got 16. Then from this point you're down to 4. So we'll get the part. If you lower your shoulder, you'll have a 5-year neck. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. Then you also get 6 from this point. I connect it in. If you lower your chest, you will take it as a chest. Divide by 5 plus 2. 80 divided by 5 plus 2 is equal to 18. I took down 18 leading a perpendicular line through. Also from this middle point. You take the boobs. Divide 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. Then you'll get yourself a point. Is 22. One more, you will lower your waist. If you lower your waist, it will be measured starting from above. Horizontal road, horizontal road, top horizontal road. You measure down to 35. According to the measurement. Then you will take the waist and it will be the waist. Divide by 4 sisters plus 2. 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 18. And here's the length of this shirt. You'll cross it. You'll get it by the hip. Divide by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. I also took it from the middle. You measure 22. Then here it's 18. You'll measure 18. I connect it in. We get the shirt. And then you're going to build a perpendicular line. 2 inches back up. Then I can draw the underarm line. The neck is from here. I'll give you 6 inches back. And we also drew this necklace. And then after you've done it, we'll draw the back body. Here you are up to inches. This part you go out for yourself is 7 glasses, and this part of you gives yourself a little gas. Feces in front of chest. Well, ram. More than a gasoline. And in the back, we'll back up a gas. And the underarm line. The back of the body will be wider than the armpits. The previous body is not 7. And then we'll paint the back neck here. This is 12 gasoline. After you get the form. After that, if you wear wide pants, you just take the length here. Then we will pushing the hybrid like this. It's wide pants or more. If you want to get pregnant, go down from here, but you've got the gourd up here. That's short. Then we'll be able to wear loose pants. As for the style, we will wear it with pants. A tube pinch. It's the hose, not the hose. You're the hose. Then you will. Like this way down here. Then you have to divide the 3 parts equally. Then press A. This horizontal part of us. We also divide the 3 parts into one another. I connected this road here, then split it in half. From this place. From here, that's the part of the previous body. Long body first. You guys go vote. Then come out. Then we will get what? Here's the shirt, I painted it. You haven't been elected yet, ladies. Let's repaint it to make it look like this one. If you draw this part, I'll bend it in. And this part of the seat that I bent out, it's new. The line is beautiful. This line is beautiful, the whole family. I'll cut it this way. There's a hybrid after that. Then we also take the length of this shirt. But in the future, it's going to be a little different. You will push to get out. We're going to divide the 3 parts into the division here. Then we'll get the second line here. You may ask that these 2 lines are not identical. If you are lucky, you have to leave the seams. You broke the edge of this piece. Here we break the edge. We break the edge of this place, we relax. Then we're going to come up with a cross that looks like a donut. And now I'm going to cut it. I want to cut this shirt. I'll cut out the front of the towel, so that behind it will be smaller than a gasoline. I'll pack this. Because of this, I have a gas. When you hide, you have to put it in. And I cut. This theater is not in the works, ladies. You have to leave the seams. I cut this line. Then follow the red line. Then, here's how I finish the back. This place is finished. This will be the next body. I have a sister for 2, a sister for 1. It's because this is a double fabric. I'm done. It's going to have an orchid like this. Now to the previous part. How did you adjust the previous part? We can cut off the previous part. Then we'll get a shirt like this. The previous part. Look back, this is the previous part. This is the back body. I can see that the two parts of the shirt are different. The line is also different. Front body and back body. And now we're going to continue to draw the sleeves. This sleeve is the 20 of the previous one. Part after herself to part after to part before 20. Then you'll draw the sleeve. You will get me the lower part. Here you will get the chest. Divide by 10 plus 5. 80 divided by 10 plus 5 gives us 10/3. From up here, take 10. I built a perpendicular line. I'll take the number 20 armpit lines before I measured it. Add 2 armpits just measured. That's 42. You divide 2 by 2. I connected these two lines. Then you split it in half. Number to 1 and we'll draw the sleeve. So down here it's going to be the front door. Then you will measure the door. Then we put it in and we're out. The hand part. Today you have 5 glasses. I got the sleeve. And now I'm going to paint the old part. Collar, you will measure. The previous necklace here I measured is 12. Back body necklace. I can be 10. I'll measure you a passage. That's equal to 22, because 10 plus 12 is equal to 22. Then 2 inches from here. If you go this route, you will. Go this way. Then go up this round and drop by 2 inches. I turn the ring. Here she is. And from here you're going to be 5 inches. I connected to the curve. And you'll be able to draw the gourd. So this quilt is 2/3 the size. Then this is going to be 3/3. And here you're going to cut a curve. Let it rebuild. This is a perpendicular line. Well, suppose in the case that you drew it. Round neck, go this way. And if it's square, you go this way. And now I'm going to cut it. I'll cut it in squares. If you are lucky, the neck will be. We're going to have a square neck like this. Your hips are round. If this square is built, it will be cut off. So you're going to rebuild it as a road. Perpendicular, we'll get the collar. Square like this. Then I looked again. The Arab model of today. Done. Dear before. In front of the gourd. Behind the sleeve part of the collar. And this is the sleeve. It's going to have details like this. I wish you success. Thank you Shin Cho and see you.